In this session, let us learn about Java delete files. Delete a file. To delete a file in Java, use the delete method. See, by writing and executing this code, the result output returns is delete the file, filename.txt. Delete a folder. You can also delete a folder, however it must be empty. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result returns is now the folder was deleted. Deleted the folder text. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 51, Java delete files. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java how to add two numbers. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.